Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to visible form fill title in flyable PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. Open a PDF from, make this on flyable, tools menu, prepare from, and go to properties and appearance, general, and check the title name. You can view tab number. Right click on the field and click the show tab number. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.